Hi, my name is Michael Figueroa, and I am a cloud solutions specialist with the Answer Company, Acumatica's top Canadian partner in the construction industry. With over 250 successful construction ERP implementations under our belt, we've taken our deep knowledge of real-world use cases and Acumatica's flexible platform to deliver powerful solutions that enhance your team's workflows. Today, I want to showcase how you can save hours of time when putting together substantiated billing documents for your customers. So from our construction workspace, we're going to navigate and choose a project that we want to generate our billing for. And in this case, we're going to choose this restaurant project and navigate to our invoicing. So here we have a list of all of the previous pro forma invoices that we've created under this project. And rather than having to exit this screen or run a separate process, you can actually run your billing directly from within this record by simply clicking on Run Billing. Once that's been performed, the pro forma invoice will be created under the Time and Materials tab, where you'll be able to see your schedule of values and the specific dollar amounts and quantities that represent the particular bill that you are going to be sending to your customer. So traditionally, when it comes to looking at our invoicing, you may want to make adjustments at this point, double check that taxing is turned on if that applies, and make sure that that is being allocated properly. And then finally, there might be an approval process that you initialize here as well, whether that's internal or external for your teams. What I want to show you though is with the standard printing or emailing of this invoice, it'll simply print the one sheet form for your invoice. And as you can see here, there are no additional attachments. It's simply just the running list. And so this is where most accounting systems fall short at creating the substantiated billing documents. Normally, this leaves finance teams having to manually drill into all these line items, download the appropriate invoices or other attachments, and then use an external program to create the document itself. So this usually can take hours, if not days, to complete, and this affects employee morale and, of course, extends the time period where you actually receive payment for the work that's been completed. So rather than going through this, let me now show you how in one easy step we can accomplish creating that substantiated billing document within Acumatica. In order to do that, I'm going to go back to my construction workspace and I'm going to be finding the substantiated billing report. This will ask us to select the project that we were wanting to pull our report from. So we're going to go back to our restaurant one here. And rather than using a date range to create this document, I'm going to select the pro forma option. And so we're going to select the invoice that we were just taking a look at and make sure that the copy line attachments to report is enabled so that the system will be able to attach those documents automatically for you. Once you download the report, as we will see here in just a second, we will see that the first pages around cost transactions are shown with all the different line items. Towards the bottom, of course, you'll be able to see as well your specific expenses. So expense claims here, if applicable. And finally, at the bottom, we'll see all of the pertinent attachments for this particular invoice. All of this was done in a click of a button. The system does it for you, and you can at this point send it to your customer. Acumatica's Construction Edition has plenty of useful tools and reports right out of the box, just like the one we saw today. These are designed to make financial processes more efficient, to allow you to use the time savings for more strategic work in the business. At the Answer Company, we strive to really partner with our customers to understand their specific use cases and deliver solutions that propel their business forward. If you want to learn more about Acumatica, please contact us via email to set up a free discovery call today.